Next question, that is question 150, which is simply based on the formula V is equal to IR. Here you see 3.5 volt has been applied, but 0.5 volt is dropping across this diode. So the effective voltage drop across this 100 ohm resistance is simply 3.5 minus 5, and the total resistance which has been given is 100 ohm. So you have to calculate the current in this particular question, which will be straightforward 30 milliampere. That is the answer to question 150. Switch over to next question, that is 151. Now in this next question, which is based on direct formula used for satellite orbital speed. Orbital speed formula, if you remember, this is under root gm by r, and this gm can successfully be replaced by gr square, and this you can say r plus h. These are some of the manipulations you can make. In this question it says that remote sensing satellite of Earth revolves in a circular orbit at a height. This is the altitude which has been given, 0.25 into 10 to the power 6 meter. So this h will be substituted with this 0.25 into 10 to the power 6 meter, and the radius of the earth has been given, so capital R can be substituted here, and the acceleration due to gravity, that also has been given. So if you calculate all those things, you will find that the answer which is coming out, that is orbital speed, is 7.76 kilometer per second. So this will be the answer to this question 151. Switch over to next question, that is 152. Now in this question 152, which is related to motion in a plane, you have been given the position vector of a particle, and mind you, you have to find out the wrong statement here. Be careful, you have to find out the wrong statement here. If you compare this position vector, you can say that this is the x which has been given, and this is the y part of the motion that has been given. I, j, all these are standard notations, they are the unit vectors in x and y direction. If you try to solve it by comparison, you can say x is equal to 4 sine 2 pi t, and y is equal to 4 cos 2 pi t. You understand? This is the comparison equation you can use. Simply it is indicating that it's a motion on a circle. You see here amplitude is same, and one is sine, another one is cos. So it's a motion on a circle, and the radius is 4. You can further differentiate it if you want the expression for velocity. If you differentiate it, this 2 pi term will be coming out and so on. Now see, the first statement says that path is circle of radius 4 meter. This is true statement. Second one, acceleration vector is along minus r. That will also be true because acceleration is centripetal one. So whatever is the position vector opposite to that will be the acceleration. That is why it is known as centripetal. Third is magnitude of acceleration is v square by r. This is very much right because it's a circular motion. But fourth one is saying that magnitude of velocity of the particle is 8 meter per second. This is a wrong statement because once you will differentiate it, you see 8 pi will be coming out. Understand? 8 pi. So this is not saying that thing. So this is the wrong statement, which will be the correct option for our question because they want the wrong statement. So I will be marking answer 4 for this particular question 152. Switch over to next question 153.